So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Knowledge, and today we're gonna talk about one of the unique project in microcontroller 8051. You can use it as a mini project, or if you are in the post graduation or graduate student, and if you are a diploma student or undergraduate student, you can use it as a major project also for microcontroller 8051. So what is it? What it is? It is a traffic signal system or traffic light control system. You can see here there is a crossway created by the lighting arrangement. This is a 8051. This is the numerical display, or it is a 7 segment display in which uh, a different number display on 7 segment. So let's first, I have started the system. So you can see that for a 30 second, the this green LED remain on and the red LED remain off, and remaining red LEDs are getting on because this signal is on. It means the persons who are here, who want to go from one here to here for cross roading, the person who want to go from here to here, they can go by seeing this green light. Same, the persons who are here cannot go to this way because of the this red indication. Same as vice versa. This the people that are at here cannot go to this side, and here cannot go to this side because this is a red LED. After 30 second, you can say after a particular 30 second, this LED, this green LED getting off, and this green LED getting on, and this red LED getting off. So you can see what happened. This green LED is on and this is off. The red LED getting off. Same here our green LED getting off. So the person who previously who are going to this way stop, and the person who are standing here will go to, or now going to this path, from this point to this point, this point to this point. It is a simple logic. I am not here to explaining how the traffic light system work. I am here to explain how you can make a project by using a 8051. So if I reduce the delay, it is a too complex. So now I have reduced the delay in the project, in the program. You can say this is a program. You get this program in the description box, and you get this Proteus file also in the description box. And if you want that I am working in your project, I will help in your project, so you can contact me by my email ID that is given in the description box. If you want this hardware model of this project, then you can contact me on my email ID that is given in the description box. So now I have reduced the delay, so you can see that it is a very fast reducing the timing. It is reducing like a very fast way, and after a particular time, again this green LED will getting on, and this green LED will getting off, and at the same time the red LED getting on. After same again after a 30 second, this getting off, this getting okay. So now it is a continuously in the loop, because traffic light should be continuously changing one by one. First of all this, and then this, and then this, and then this, like this way it is working. Similarly, there is a numerical display that is also indicate a particular timing for how much time we have to wait. That should be also available on the display. So I think so it's a clear for you to understand how the system work. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want the program and the Proteus file, you can get it from the description box. And for any project, for any microcontroller project, even though it is a hardware, you can contact me. For a software, there are multiple of projects available in my playlist. Just check it, the playlist that is given in the description box. Again, thanks for watching this video.